The foundation of a great DJ set is being able to mix songs together smoothly, and your Reloop Buddy has all the tools you need. We all know that songs come in different tempos, which are measured in beats per minute, so in order to manually mix two songs together with different BPMs, you can use the tempo sliders on each deck. When the slider is in the middle position or 0% pitch, tracks will play at their original speed. However, moving the slider up will decrease its tempo, and moving it down will increase it. You can adjust the sensitivity of your tempo slider by tapping on the track's BPM value and selecting an amount from 8% to 75%. Higher pitch ranges make it possible to mix together songs with big tempo differences, but the more sensitive your tempo slider is, the less precise it will be. 10% is the typical pitch range for DJing, so let's choose that, and while we're here, let's also activate key lock on both decks to prevent any tempo changes from changing the musical key of the tracks. The Algoriddim DJ software automatically calculates the key and tempo of your tracks and applies grid markers to each beat and bar. Right now we have track 1 playing at a tempo of 127 BPM and the crossfader is all the way to the left, which means track 2 can't be heard yet. As track 2 is only 125 BPM, let's adjust it to match track 1 using the tempo slider. So with the tempos now matched, all we need to do is start track 2 at an appropriate time so that the grids and phrases on both tracks also match. A typical place to introduce an incoming track is over an outro phrase of the previous one. So let's launch track 2 here where track 1's arrangement changes. With the crossfader in the middle, you can use the channel faders to blend the tracks together, and if needed, you can also nudge the jog wheels to keep the beats in time with each other. The low EQs can be used to gradually exchange bass frequencies between the tracks to avoid any unwanted clashing or distortion. This is a simple example of a long mix, but try to experiment by doing shorter mixes, using the effects, filters, faders, or even the jog wheels to make your mixes more exciting or unique. And for an even smoother mixing experience, you can also activate sync, which automatically matches the tempos of your tracks. These are all powerful tools, but the most important tools you have for creating great sounding mixes are your ears. Connect headphones to your Reloop Buddy and prepare tracks before playing them loud by pressing the headphone cue button for the corresponding deck. Here you can adjust your headphone cue volume, and with the cue mix knob, you can blend between monitoring individual tracks, the master output, or a mixture of them through your headphones.